Hey, do you need help with today's Game of Life expansion pack Mother's Day edition? Well, stick around for 5 quick tips and we'll get you power leveled in no time. Hey, let's jump right back into it. We're not going to waste any time. We're power leveling today. 5 quick levels, 5 quick tips. We're going to get through Mother's Day and have a great time. Okay, level 1, super easy, quick power grind. We're just going to get the flowers, the cards, and the candy. Everybody's expecting it. You just get the simple ones. You go to the grocery store, grab it, you come back. Easy day. Hey, level 2, a little bit more complicated, but it's not really that hard. Get a cup, get some popsicle sticks, get a marker. You write on the popsicle sticks with date ideas. So you categorize it from really cheap, maybe a little expensive, not very time consuming, to spending an entire weekend or whatever. All right, super easy. You write these down, you put little color codes on them based on time involvement, money involvement. It's a lot of fun, and you decorate the cup just a little bit. It's a great idea, and it's a gift that keeps on giving. Super great XP. Move on to the next level. Hey, level 3, a little bit more complicated, but we're gonna have fun with this one. We're gonna help the kids make some food for mom, and we're gonna help them make some cards and make it really special for her. All right? Find simple recipes, help the kids make the food, find simple cards, pop-ups, not pop-ups. They can just draw on it. It'll be great. It'll be super special. And they give a gift to mom, and they're happy to give mom something, and you're happy because mom's happy. The only thing I'm going to warn on, you gotta make sure that you clean up behind the kids and don't leave a mess for mom. That's the only way you're going to get full XP for this level. Hey, level 4. This one, tons of XP, but it's also a little bit more difficult to do. All right, so we're going to go through and we're going to spend time with her how she wants on Mother's Day. Now, this seems pretty easy to do, but at the same time, like right now, you're looking at a picture of Monopoly, all right? But she might not want to play Monopoly. She might not want to play games. She might want to go have a picnic. You know what? Go have a picnic. Go have fun. Make it a blast. Try and take as much of the workload as possible and make today special for her. Maybe she'll even reciprocate and make Father's Day special for you. Let's just make sure we're making this special for her. We don't want to end up in jail. Hey, level 5, super important. You need to go through and let her relax and have some fun. Maybe it's getting a massage, maybe it's getting a mani-pedi, maybe it's going to watch Avengers Endgame. You get to play with the kids, have a ton of fun with them today. She gets to go relax, have no stress, be carefree, and she'll come back super recharged and super happy and grateful. You might not have kids, you might not have a wife. Go ahead, treat yourself. But at the end of the day, knock this one out of the park, call your mom, and you can be the real MVP. If you have any comments or suggestions, leave them down below. Hit that like button, subscribe for new content every week. This is Ridir Gaming. We'll see you next week.